In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up site availability settings in Chrome. To begin, open Chrome and go into your settings area. Once you're there, look for the site availability section. Depending on your layout, this may appear in a sidebar or within the main settings panel. So take a moment to locate the correct option before moving on. This section controls how your site can be accessed, so it's important to make sure you're adjusting the right setting. When you open the site availability options, find the selection that lets you choose the site visibility mode. Here, you'll want to select the public option by clicking the appropriate radio button or toggle. Choosing public means the site will be available more broadly, so this is the right choice if you want visitors to be able to access it without restrictions tied to a private setup. Make sure the public selection is clearly active before continuing. If you see a notice indicating that an upgrade is required, don't worry. Simply follow the checkout prompts shown on screen and choose an active billing subscription plan for the site. Go through that process carefully and confirm the plan selection so the availability setting can be enabled properly. This part is only necessary if your current setup hasn't been upgraded yet, so if you don't see those prompts, you can move ahead to the next step. After that, review the site access authorization settings and any related adjustment options that appear. This is the stage where you confirm that the access decisions and permission paths match what you want for the site. In other words, double check that the changes reflect your intended level of access and that there aren't any conflicting restrictions still enabled in the background. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent access issues later. Once everything looks correct, click Save. This final step applies your updates and confirms the new site availability configuration. After saving, it's a good idea to briefly verify that the setting has been updated successfully and that the site now reflects the public access mode you selected. That's all there is to it. By opening Settings, locating site availability, choosing Public, confirming any required authorization changes, and saving your work, you can quickly update how your site is accessed in Chrome.